You've probably heard this before, from your mom, from a fitness influencer, or that one friend who suddenly became a nutrition expert. Never microwave your food. It kills all the nutrients. It sounds believable, doesn't it? The word radiation alone is enough to scare anyone. Boiling feels natural. Steaming feels safe. Microwaving? It sounds like something out of a science lab. But what if everything you've been told is backwards? What if the method you trust is actually destroying your food, and the one you avoid is quietly preserving it? Because the truth is, the microwave isn't the villain. In many cases, it's the best tool you have. And once you understand why, you'll never look at your kitchen the same way again, right here on Story of Simple Things. The fear of microwaves started with one simple misunderstanding: the word radiation. People hear it and imagine something dangerous, but microwaves don't work like that. They use non-ionizing radiation, the same type of energy as radio waves. All they do is make water molecules vibrate. That vibration creates heat. That's it. No hidden damage. No nutrient-destroying beam. So if microwaves aren't the problem, then what is? To understand that, look at boiling, the method most people blindly trust. When you boil vegetables, vitamins like vitamin C and B complex don't just stay inside, they leak into the water. And then you throw that water away. Just like that, your nutrients are gone. Studies show boiling broccoli can destroy up to 50% of its vitamin C. Steaming is better, around 15 to 20% loss. But microwaving? Because it uses less water and less time, it can preserve up to 90% of those same nutrients. That's not a small difference. That's a complete reversal of what most people believe. And it gets even more interesting. Some nutrients don't just survive microwaving, they actually become easier for your body to absorb. Tomatoes release more lycopene. Carrots release more beta-carotene. Quick cooking breaks down tough cell walls, unlocking nutrients that would otherwise stay trapped. So now the question isn't, is microwaving bad? It's, why did we ever think it was? Part of it comes from old studies and internet myths, but part of it is human psychology. We trust what feels traditional. Boiling has been around forever. Microwaves feel modern, unfamiliar, suspicious. But science doesn't care about feelings, it cares about results. And the results are clear: less water, less time, more nutrients. Of course, there's one honest warning. Overcooking is still overcooking. Leave food in too long, and nutrients will break down no matter the method. And avoid cheap plastic containers. Use glass or ceramic. The microwave isn't the problem, the way we use it is. So the next time someone tells you microwaves destroy nutrients, you'll know the truth. Fast cooking, minimal water, maximum preservation. Not a villain, just misunderstood. And maybe that's the bigger lesson. Sometimes the biggest myths in our daily lives don't come from lies, they come from habits we never questioned. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit like, share it with someone who still fears the microwave, and subscribe to Story of Simple Things for more fascinating truths hidden in everyday life.